Hey guys. Welcome to my channel, I hope you're all doing great. This is my very first YouTube video. If you're like me and spend hours scrolling on TikTok, what if I told you there's a way to actually make money while watching those videos? Yes, it's real. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $4 for every TikTok video you watch. This method is legit, easy to follow, and perfect for beginners looking to make some extra cash online. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video because I'll share tips on how to maximize your earnings and avoid scams. Let's get started. Is this real? Now, you might be asking yourself, is this really legit? Can I actually get paid to watch TikTok videos? And the answer is yes. With the rise of social media and influencer marketing, many platforms are paying people to interact with content, and that includes watching short-form videos like the ones on TikTok. The way it works is simple. Advertisers and companies are willing to pay for views, clicks, and engagement. Some websites and apps have created systems where they share that money with you, the viewer, for watching these videos. It's a win-win situation because advertisers get the exposure they need, and you get paid for your time. Where to sign up? Okay, let's talk about the platforms and websites where you can start earning. Keep in mind, there are a lot of scams out there, so I've done the research to share only the legit platforms. Here are 3 websites you can use to get paid for watching TikTok videos. 1. Swagbucks Live. Swagbucks is a well-known rewards platform where you can earn points, called SB, for doing tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and more. Recently, they've started paying for video views, including TikTok-style content. All you need to do is sign up, watch videos, and collect SB points. Later, you can cash out through PayPal or redeem gift cards. 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another trusted site that pays users to watch videos. They also work with advertisers, and sometimes they have specific video playlists that include TikTok-style content. Once you finish watching the required videos, you get paid cash. The best part? You can withdraw your earnings as soon as you hit $10. 3. Reward XP. Reward XP is a growing platform where you can earn money by watching ads and videos, including content similar to TikTok. What's great about this platform is that it offers real cash payments via PayPal. The more videos you watch, the more you earn. Make sure to visit these platforms, sign up for free, and follow the instructions to start earning. How does it work? Let me break down exactly how this works step by step, so you don't get confused. Here's how you can start earning $4 per TikTok video you watch. Step 1. Sign up. Go to the websites I mentioned, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Reward XP, and create a free account. Make sure to use a valid email address because you'll need to verify it to start earning. Step 2. Choose videos to watch. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where they offer paid videos or earn by watching videos. Sometimes, you'll see TikTok-style videos or playlists that are available for you to watch. Step 3. Watch and earn. All you need to do is click on the video, watch it for the required amount of time, and boom, you've earned money. Some platforms track your progress automatically, while others might require you to answer a quick question or click a button to confirm that you've watched the video. Step 4. Cash out. Once you've earned enough points or cash, you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, or even bank transfer. It's super easy and hassle-free. The key is consistency. The more videos you watch, the more money you can make. Tips to maximize your earnings. Now let's talk about how you can earn even more money with these platforms. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings. 1. Watch videos every day. Most platforms have daily limits on how many videos you can watch, so make sure to log in every day and hit your maximum earning potential. 2. Use multiple platforms. Don't rely on just one website. Sign up for all 3 platforms I mentioned, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Reward XP. This way, you can earn money from multiple sources and increase your overall income. 3. Use referral programs. Many of these platforms have referral programs where you can invite your friends and earn bonuses for every person who signs up using your link. Share your referral links on social media, in group chats, or even on TikTok itself to get more people to sign up. 4. Multitask. While you're watching videos, you can do other things like browsing social media, studying, or working on your side hustle. This way, you're earning money without feeling like you're wasting time. 5. Be patient and consistent. Earning money this way isn't going to make you rich overnight, but if you stay consistent and use the platforms every day, you can build up a nice side income over time. Avoiding scams. Before we wrap up, I want to share some quick tips to help you avoid scams. Unfortunately, there are a lot of fake websites and apps that promise to pay you but never do. Here's how to stay safe. 1. Stick to trusted platforms. Only use well-known websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Reward XP. 2. Avoid paying money upfront. Legit platforms will never ask you to pay money to start earning. 3. Read reviews. Before signing up for any new website, check reviews online to see if other users have been paid. 4. Watch out for unrealistic promises. If a website says you can make thousands of dollars instantly, it's probably too good to be true. Always do your research and stick to legit platforms like the ones I shared today. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can get paid $4 for every TikTok video you watch. It's a super easy and legit way to make some extra cash in your free time. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you try any of these platforms and how much you earn. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Subscribe to my channel. Watch my next video for more money-making tips.